Hey there, got a American Lock 5200 series used pretty commonly by the Army. Take a crack at it here. Here we go. A little easier than I thought it was going to be. This is actually a pretty tough lock. 5 serrated pins, 2 serrated driver pins, 3 spool serrated driver pins. And I like American locks because they give Americans a good name. I learned a lot of what I know from Bruno and Lock Slayer, so thanks guys. And I'll post more videos for you guys if I can get my hands on some worthy locks. I'm not going to waste your time on some number 3 masters. So, see you later. Enjoy.